My name is Corinna. This is Shanae, and we are building strength by moving off-grid.
How different we are, but so the same. Yeah.
We did a lot of work today. As Shanae says, ons het gegooid met die werk vandaag.
The big one. Sure. Sorry. You said so. Huh?
It's fine.
You said I was throwing at the phone.
Brilliant. We have been collecting cardboard boxes for our no-dig, no-till garden experiment. Shanae did the heavy lifting today and carried these boxes to their new home. One way to do it. These boxes will be laid out to form the new foundation of our garden. Eventually, they will decompose with the plants underneath. We're experimenting with no-dig, no-till gardening because we're looking for the best ways to bring our South African soil back to life. It is our goal to return to South Africa, ready to rebuild our lives and our nonprofit in a sustainable way. We think the best way to do this is by going off-grid. A no-tig, no... a no...
Let's just change the
Tig.
name of it. Let's just call it a tig garden.
A no-dig, no-till garden means that the soil and ecosystem are less disturbed and nutrients are preserved as new layers are added on top. The cardboard layer creates a temporary barrier between the garden and the ground below. As the cardboard box decomposes with the plants below, a new layer of compost is created for the garden. All right. Our no-till experiment begins. After the boxes were laid out, it was time to get some soil. Yeah, you look like a hot farmer. We decided to use this opportunity to practice our excavating skills and attempt to level this small hill. Shanae was impressed by the richness of our soil. This is much different than South Africa, but it is our goal to return with the skills to bring our soil back to life. We hope to grow enough food to sustain ourselves and build a sustainable nonprofit. Something else we have been interested in is building with natural materials. Building with clay is popular in South Africa, but we didn't expect to find that here in Lancaster. But as we continued digging, we found more and more rocks, so we began to think about what we could do with them. We continued digging to fill our wheelbarrow with soil, and our rock pile grew along with it. Shanae began laying the rocks around the garden, and I continued to dig for more. This project has required a lot of strength. We used different tools to scoop dirt onto the giant shovel and dump it into the plastic wheelbarrow. Shanae improved her deadlift skills. That's good, Leafy.
This one's a bit.
But the wheelbarrow was not strong enough. We filled our new garden with soil and laid rocks around it. Meanwhile, our seedlings have been growing in the plastic containers we received from McCleary's pub.
That looks like dill also. Yeah, awesome. This one also still. They're all sprouted. Oh. What's that? Yeah, the radishes are real quick. This one's all beetroot. That looks familiar. From South Africa. This one's haven't done anything.
McCleary's has supported us a lot since we've been home. We've relied on them for buckets of compost, and we received a station wagon full of cardboard boxes to continue our no-dig, no-till garden. This is the restaurant where my friend Brittany was a general manager before she passed away last June. We'll be hosting an event at McCleary's on June 6th in her honor. Brittany's barbecue will be a competition among local restaurants, and you are invited to be the judge. There will be live music, funny games, a silent auction, and speakers to remind us all that we are enough. All proceeds from this event will directly support Ren Off-Grid's efforts to build the Enough Garden in rural South Africa. Thank you. Dankie. Inkosi. See you next time.
Bye.
See you, Buona.